in our kitchen, there's so many things. Naku, ngayon nga, I'm going to, eto, first time ko sasabihin, I'm sure, magkakagulo na naman ng mundo. At lahat kayo, gagayahin nyo to. Alam nyo ba how to have an anti-aging process na hindi magastos, walang side effect? Very simple. And this is what I do in the morning. The Himalayan pink salt. Ang mura-mura po nito. Isang kutsarita lang, ilalagay nyo sa mainit na tubig, lagyan nyo ng konting apple cider vinegar, lagyan nyo ng luya at lemon, drink it in the morning. And in the next 15 days, liliit yung katawan nyo at magiging sexy kayo. And that's not expensive. Just knowledge. Alamin nyo lang what's going on in the world. Even Oprah Winfrey. Ay naku, yan lang ginagawa niya ngayon. Tignan yung katawan niya, very sexy. Mukhang dalagang-dalaga na wala taba niya dito because of the Himalayan pink salt with apple cider vinegar, lemon, and turmeric. Again, nasisiguro ko mga gandahan, viral yan! Dahil hindi magastos, mag-trim down kayo, magiging sexy kayo, magiging healthy pa kayo at walang side effect.